Hi guys, today I'm really excited because I just received this monocular telescope for reviewing purposes. Let's take it out of the box that it comes with. And as you can see, it has this really nice carrying case with a strap that you can adjust to any length that you want, which I think that it's really nice. Okay, it's a simple design. And here we have the tripod to use it with. Okay, you just place it like this and you can adjust it and set it however you need it, which I think that it's nice. With this lock you can place it, you can lock it in place, and you have this other one so you can place the telescope. Okay, we have in here I think that it's a cell phone adapter to use it and test it out, which I think that it's going to be really nice. Just mount it in and use it regularly, which I think that it's going to be really useful. You can take images, photos, or videos on the night sky, and the proper main unit right here. Okay, as you can see, with this knob we can adjust the spinning of it. I'm gonna set it up like this. It comes with a cap that we can take out, and we have the lens right here with all the adjustment knobs. Okay, I'm gonna place it in like this. Now we can use it, which I think that it's really nice to have at hand. And in here we also got the instructions on how to use it. So let's go ahead and test it out. Come on. Okay guys, as you can see, when using it we have a clear image that we can see stuff up to 1,000 yards, and I think that it's really nice because it has a easy zoom with a variable from 20 times to 60 magnification, and it also has a dynamic lens focus system and an ergonomic design with 45 degrees angled eyepiece, which allow for a more comfortable viewing, which I think that it's really nice. It has a really durable construction with high quality materials, and it has a non-slip grip, shockproof grip, and even external protection. It has an extendable sunshade built onto the main barrel so we can reduce the glare and bringing a clear view when we are seeing things on daytime, which I think that is really great. Also, I think that it's great that it has a waterproof and fog-proof design that can cope with rainy and snowy days, and that way you can be affected by the weather and, well, be completely protected for all weather conditions, making it really nice to take on hunting trips, star seeing, or wherever you want to use. I think that it's really nice. And as you can see, once we have the setup all completed and ready, we can use the scope to lock onto our target and zoom in for more details, like as I've said, bird sighting or anything. Okay guys, as you can see, it's really easy to use. It's a really great setup to go bird watching, even look at some stars, or wherever you want to need it. I think that it's gonna be a really nice job. I like that you have different adjustments to make, the focus, length, and everything. And I also like that it comes with this cell phone adapter so you can use it however you wanna test it out, which I think that it's really great. And overall I like it a lot. It's really nice, and I would really recommend that. See you guys.